Hi, today I'm going to introduce how to replace RadioLink metal steering wheel. The metal steering wheel is compatible with many RadioLink transmitters such as RC6GS, RC4GS, and RC8X. The steering wheel is made of aluminum alloy. The method to replace the wheel is the same for all RadioLink transmitters, so we'll take RC8X as an example. When you unbox the wheel, there is a steering wheel and a small round piece. First, we need to remove the original wheel. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw. Pull out the steering wheel slowly. Here is a new steering wheel, which has a hole. The hole on the wheel must correspond to the rod on RC8X so that the wheel can be inserted. Match the hole and rod. And inside the wheel. Push the wheel inside hard to fix the wheel. If the wheel is not fixed, the wheel won't spring back properly. Turn the wheel and we can see the spring works well. Now tighten the screw. Put on the small round piece. The replacement of the wheel is down.